Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. What is pleural effusion? Pleural effusion, also called water on the lungs, is an excessive buildup of fluid in the space between your lungs and chest cavity. How does pleural effusion develop? The pleura create too much of fluid when it's irritated, inflamed or infected. This fluid accumulates in the chest cavity outside the lung, causing what's known as a pleural effusion. Certain types of cancer can cause pleural effusion. Lung cancer in men and breast cancer in women being the most common. Other causes of pleural effusion include congestive heart failure, the most common cause overall, cirrhosis or poor function of liver, pulmonary embolism, which is caused by a blood clot and is a blockage in the lung arteries, complications from open heart surgery, pneumonia, severe kidney disease, autoimmune diseases such as lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Types of pleural effusions. The first classification of pleural effusion is either transudative or exudative. Transudative pleural effusions. This type caused by fluid leaking into the pleural space as a result of either a low blood protein count or increased pressure in the blood vessels. Its most common cause is congestive heart failure. Exudative effusions. This type is caused by blocked lymph or blood vessels, inflammation, tumors, lung injury. Common conditions that could result in this type of pleural effusion include pulmonary embolism, pneumonia, and fungal infections. Symptoms and signs of pleural effusion. Some people show no symptoms of pleural effusion. These people usually find out they have the condition through a chest x-rays or physical examination done for another reason. Common symptoms of pleural effusion include chest pain, dry cough, fever, difficulty in breathing when lying down position, shortness of breath, difficulty in taking deep breaths, persistent hiccups, difficulty with physical activity. See your doctor immediately if you have symptoms of pleural effusion. Diagnosing pleural effusion. Your doctor may also choose to perform a CT scan, chest ultrasound, pleural fluid analysis, bronchoscopy, pleural biopsy. Treating pleural effusion. The underlying cause of the condition and the severity of the effusion will determine the treatment. Draining fluid. Generally, the treatment involves draining the fluid from the chest cavity either with a needle or a small tube inserted into the chest. Other treatment may be necessary to manage fluid buildup if cancer is the cause of pleural effusion. Pleurodesis. Pleurodesis is a treatment that creates mild inflammation between the lung and chest cavity pleura. After drawing the excess fluid out of the chest cavity, a doctor injects a drug into the area. The drug is often a talc mixture. This medication causes the two layers of the pleura to stick together, which prevents the future buildup of fluid between them. Surgery, pleurectomy, in which part of the pleural lining is surgically removed, may also be an option in certain cases. Complications can include pulmonary edema or fluid in the lungs, which can result from draining fluid too quickly during thoracentesis, partial collapsed lung, infection or bleeding. These complications, while serious, are very rare. Your doctor will help determine the most effective treatment option and discuss the benefits and risks of each procedure. Thank you all. Have a nice day.